the bun is in. And if it's not, we're gonna make it in. My hair is growing in so many places, it looks like a spider. First and foremost, we want to talk about something real important. What is this? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I thought I'd do a one brand makeup tutorial using, drumroll, e.l.f. brand. So a couple weeks ago, I went to Ulta, Target, and I think Walmart for like one or two different things. And I picked up a bunch of e.l.f. products. I went and I picked up a couple brushes just because I wanted to give you guys the whole feel on like doing a makeup look using one brand and one brand only. With that being said, grab yourself a snack and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go in starting off with e.l.f.'s Glow Radiant Moisturizer. I have seen this in like a couple tutorials that I've done on Instagram. I love this stuff. It smells like summer. It really does. It smells honestly more like sunblock. No, I've realized I say a lot, so excuse me. And then I'm gonna go in using the e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Primer. I love this stuff. Honestly, it doesn't only work good with the e.l.f. line because I've literally used it with other foundations and it is a bomb.com. Literally smells a lot like Benefit's Professional. When I first got this primer, I was so scared because I was like, why in the world did I purchase a matte foundation primer? And then I was like, oh yeah, because I get super oily sometimes. But then again, I thought like, okay, well maybe I might look really cakey and maybe dry and stuff like that, or patchy. And I didn't. It worked out really good, and like I was super like impressed when I saw that it worked amazing with like other foundations. I picked up these e.l.f. Line and Define eye tape. I honestly saw these on like a on there was an opening the whole time. Wow. Break my teeth for nothing. Jesus. I will say this, e.l.f.'s packaging is insane. Like, it's excessive. It's like, where do you think it's gonna go? So I did see a tutorial where it comes, so it comes with 4 sheets. So it comes with 4 sheets, and they're like the little tapes that you stick right here. I think it's really cute. It's not like using tape or whatnot. I mean, if you use tape, it's whatever. But these retailed for like $2, I think it was. And I saw a YouTuber cut them in half, and like you get more. And for $2, you can't beat that. So guess what I'm gonna do? Find me some scissors and cut them in half. Here is, look at that. You got more. For $2, you can't beat that. Guys, this really might be a long video, honestly. And I'm just gonna stick that right there. Yes. It's like Band-Aids on your eyeballs. 16-hour camo concealer. I honestly love this stuff. It is more on like the white side, so I think like it's best if you mix it with a little bit like a yellow tone concealer, just to kind of make it blend a lot better. Or you could use it by itself, like whatever floats your boat. I'm not judging. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with, I picked up the Rose Gold Sunset, and honestly I think I'm just gonna do a simple look. You know, that's what they all say. So now I'm gonna go in using the e.l.f. blending brush, this color right here. I can definitely say it's very pigmented. Like, yes, seriously, e.l.f., you go. I wish I had a primer for my eyes. You know, I used to be one of those people that did not believe in primers, and lately, primers literally do a huge difference. Like, and I didn't think so. I was like, who primes their eyes? Not me, not this sister. Guys, I'm literally like dabbing like that soft and putting that much product, and it literally is just going on so easy. Make sure you guys hit that like button down below if you guys want me to continue doing these one brand tutorials. Why did I close this? Because I definitely like this. It was actually like really fun and kind of challenging at the same time to go and find like everything you needed for one face. It kind of like pushed you to actually think like, what look am I going to do today? Now I'm going to go in and pick up the e.l.f. blending eye brush, and it looks like that. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit more of a dark, this right here, and just go in that crease and kind of circular motions and work your way up. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in using that darker brown shade and just kind of smoke it out in like a V inner corner towards like the eye. Use this. I'm going to use this flat brush, and I'm just going to wet it. And I'm going to go in with that shade right there. The e.l.f. eyeliner pencil, brow pencil. Their pomade, and this is in the color Espresso. Wipe off any excess and then just kind of like use whatever's left over to kind of give you a fade effect. Don't bring all that product towards the inside of your brow, because then you have box brows, and honey, whoever told you that was cute, it ain't. So now I'm gonna go in and add these drops. I love using these drops even for my lips. It's not as oily. So now the foundation. So I picked up the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color beige. It did match my hand. We'll see how it goes. It's not my shade, because we will make it work. I'm gonna try this brush. Now I went and I picked up the Cream Contour Palette. It looks like that. I'm going to go in with that 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm only going to put a couple of dots. I'm going to take these off. Yes. Look at that line. These stickies, love them. Use the contour palette, and it looks like this. And I'm going to go in with like that yellow shade, and I'm just going to really apply that under my eyes. So that brown shade right there, and just kind of contour my face. And using the small stippler brush, and I'm just going to kind of really blend that all out. Back in with that contour palette, and I'm going to use these two colors. I'm going to start with this one to bronze, and then this one to go in and more define my highlight. So I mean my contour, sorry. I'm going to go in. Up this sheer tint finishing powder. Using this e.l.f. blush. It is in the color Always Rosy. Guys, I had a bronzing brush this whole time, but that's what we're gonna use. Under my eyes. Use the e.l.f. Blush Gems highlight. Okay guys, so I am gonna cheat because I love lip liners, and I could not find for the life of me a lip liner. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to use NYX, so at least it's drugstore. I'm gonna use NYX Brunch Me. With e.l.f.'s matte liquid lipstick in the color Praline. That's a pretty color. Oh yeah. And then I'm going to go in and use the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Let me spray it. Oh god, this is gonna... Oh my god. This like... Oh my god, this is like really soaking my face. Let me try this one. That smells amazing. It smells like coconut, but the spray is like soaking me. Alright guys, and I'm just gonna add some mascara. So I'm gonna add some falsies. And of course, your girl picked up some e.l.f. ones. Eyelash. Oh, just when I was like, do I have to really get up for tweezers? It brings it. Oh, this is even like, oh my gosh, e.l.f. I'm in love with you guys. I did the whole 9. All right, guys, the finished look. Let me try spraying the... Honest with you, it's not bad. It like my face is covered. It's not covered to the max. I do see a lot of my pores and a lot of my imperfections. Imperfections? What you mean imperfections? Girl, you perfect. A full glam look. You don't need to go out there and spend tons of money on expensive makeup. Like, e.l.f. is a very cheap, affordable line, and I love the way my makeup came out. With that being said, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, one where I'm doing a one brand tutorial. Comment down below any other videos you guys would like to see. Comment down what is your favorite brand. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Just want to once again thank you guys so much for all the love and the support that you guys give me each and every day. All the comments, all the feedback that pushes me to keep on going. I thank you guys so much. And as always, stay blessed. Love you. Don't use this at home. And when I say that, I mean it. But you love me anyway. It's like nothing in life. Don't judge my voice. There are days where it has potential.